Social media is always going to be a good thing. It's just what you're using it for at what point in your career. And what I mean by that, if you're an apprentice or someone who's just starting as an artist or something like that, you're not using social media as a marketing platform to like try to convince people that your tattoos are gold, even though you're still learning and they might still be dirt. You know what I mean? What you want to focus on is getting better at your craft first. But that's not to say that you can't share your journey.
Right there.
Should I pull in here? Should I
Yeah,
pull in
this one right here.
Can I fit? I'm gonna fit. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, you should be good.
Cool. But that's not to say you can't share your journey. And I think sharing your journey from the beginning is important, because it provides transparency. It shows people that not everything is highlights and glamour. They want to see, you know, your first few tattoos on fake skin or your first tattoo on a human skin. Whether it's good or not, that's not the point at that point. What you're trying to do is share your perspective so that people can follow your journey, and then the people that follow you, that's how you're gonna solidify yourself in the world. You know, like by the time you do get good, you're gonna have a cult following of people that followed you from the beginning. I did the same thing. You're gonna have a cult following of people that followed you from the very beginning, and now that you are good, you're solidified. You have a great foundation because you weren't necessarily trying to market to those people. You were just trying to share your perspective. By the time it got to the point where you're like, hey, I'm good now, I want you guys to get tattooed by me, you have plenty of people that would die to get tattooed by you because they see where you started, they see your journey, they connect with you as a person. So I think there's always room for people to share their journey and their perspective, which in turn becomes the marketing play. Don't use it as like, hey, I do tattoos, come to me, 916, I'm fucking the best out and stuff, when you're not really the best out. At the end of the day, all that starts when you get really good at your craft. So get good at your craft, share your journey and perspective, all the rest will come along with it. And be genuine. Don't just show the highlights. Show the low. Show the lows too. People want to see I want to see the lows. Show us everything, and it'll be beneficial.